Tonight, I will create something beautiful for the creatures of the night. A birdhouse! This wood has waited so long. Perfect for tiny wings to find shelter. Even the stomach. With each nail, I build not just shelter, but hope for the night birds. The crown of this tiny palace. A touch of darkness to make even the ravens feel welcome in their new home. Here, high above the earth, the perfect perch for my new feathered friends. Walk of the hands, it feeds the soul. Until next time, my dark friends, may your nights be filled with creation.